My Aunty Toy in Trinidad made the most delicious curry shrimp and peas for me the last time I was there. I called her for the recipe and she shared her tips and secrets, and today I'm going to recreate it at home. I have 12 ounces of peas boiling here. We're only going to boil it for about 5 or 10 minutes, but I'll skim off this foam at the top and then we'll drain. And notice how the water has darkened, and that is what we're trying to remove from the peas. That is the bitterness. We call it the casa taste in the peas. It will make the peas a little tastier, sweeter. And now we'll drain it. I have 2 pounds of shrimp that's been peeled, deveined, rinsed. I'll add a couple of tablespoons of green seasoning, about 4 tablespoons, a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll mix to combine. I'll leave the link to the green seasoning recipe below if you don't know what green seasoning is or would like to make it at home. We'll dredge the shrimp in flour or mix in 1/3 cup. We have our frying pan over medium heat with a couple of tablespoons of oil. You can do this separately or mix it in together. This is easier for us. Next, I'll place it in the frying pan, and you want to fry it really, quickly. He was making a lot of noise today. We're not deep frying it, and we're not fully frying it. Just to get a little bit of flavor and a little bit of color. 2 more. 1, 2.
Okay, now we're placing the next set of shrimp in the pot. My mom is having lunch.
While we're frying the last batch of shrimp, I've gone ahead and started the pot for the curry. I'm just bringing the oil to temperature. For the curry, you'll need onion, chopped. I have a pimento pepper, hot pepper, minced garlic, 2 tablespoons, chopped bandania, also known as cilantro, 1 tablespoon of thyme leaves, and 2 or 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. We'll add in the onion, just the onion, and the hot pepper. We'll cook until the edges are brown. A couple of minutes. The oil was just a little too hot. Now we'll add in the curry powder, about 4 tablespoons. We spilled some on the floor. We'll give it a stir. Bless you, Leo. Bless you. Leo wants fried shrimp. We are a little discombobulated today. We'll add the water in, about a half a cup. We'll add in the green seasoning and the garlic. No crying, Leo. We've added the green seasoning and the garlic, and we will cook until the liquid has evaporated and the curry separates from the oil. And my daughter is multitasking, and she's not happy about it. Okay, we'll allow it to cook for a couple of minutes. As long as there's food on the counter, Leo goes crazy. The curry has now separated from the oil and it's beginning to stick. Now we'll add in the cooked peas. Leo. We'll stir it to combine with the curry paste. Leo, you just had lunch, Leo. Be a good boy.
Sit, Leo, sit.
Alright, it's sticking. Reduce the heat to low. It's already on low. We'll add salt. We'll start with a teaspoon of salt. Then we'll add the remainder of the seasoning. That's chopped bandana, also known as culantro, the pimento pepper, and the thyme. Stir it in. And it's beginning to stick, so that's a good indication that it's now time to add the hot water.
No.
It's very aromatic. We'll add 2 cups of hot water. We'll stir, scooping up any bits at the bottom, the brown bits, just to prevent it from burning or darkening. What does Leo want today? What do you want? Oh. And Leo is spinning for treats because he just loves his mom's cooking.
Good boy, good boy. Good boy. That's all, no more, okay?
Spin.
Good boy. Good boy.
We'll cover and cook for about 15 minutes and then we'll add the shrimp. And now is a good time to make sure that the salt is perfect for you. Cover. We'll add 1 more cup of water because we want to create a nice gravy or sauce. The 15-minute timer is about to go off. We checked it every 5 minutes or so just to make sure that it had enough liquid. You need a lot of liquid in this at this point because the shrimp is coated in flour. So that was a 15-minute timer, and you need a lot of sauce in this because the shrimp is coated with flour and it will absorb some of that sauce. So if you want a lot of sauce, you need to add more water. We know now that the sauce has enough salt. We'll add in the shrimp. And we'll stir it in. Looks lovely, smells amazing, it has a beautiful color. Get your rice ready, steamed jasmine rice or roti ready. Clean down the sides of your pot and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes more, and then we're done. And that's all there is to it, my sweet friends. Curry shrimp and peas, or curry peas and shrimp, whatever you want to call it. Enjoy with one of our many Trini rotis or freshly steamed rice. I hope today's video has given you the confidence to try this at home. If you do, come back and leave your feedback below. We always love hearing from you. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye bye.